Today is National HIV Testing Day, and local clinics are offering free testing.
23 ABC's Daniela Garrido is live from one of those clinics with more information. Daniela?
Good morning. That's right. We're at Clinica Sierra Vista, and this is just one of those local clinics giving free HIV testing today for National HIV Testing Day. So we're here with Willie Mancinelli, and he is a patient here at Clinica Sierra Vista. Willie, you tested positive for HIV in the 70s. What's it been like living with it?
Well, at first it was a death sentence, and if the disease itself didn't kill you, the medications did. But now, with all of the new medications that they have, I'm now on 1 pill a day. I have half the side effects that I used to have. I feel like I'm living with HIV, not dying from it. So it's a complete different controlled environment inside my body again.
Yeah.
Yes. Like I was saying, I take 1 pill a day, and they have medication for PrEP. They have medications that it's just so much easier today than it was back when I was first diagnosed.
And that's something that we were talking about, the way HIV has changed, the treatment for it. How do you think it's changed since that time to the way things are now?
People are able to live. I mean, they said, yeah, you'll live. At first, I was given 10 years. Well, I much surpassed that. I've been coming to this clinic alone for 20 years. So the medications have just improved so much. I was hesitant to change over, but I was still having sickness in the morning and other side effects. And then finally, Jennifer talked me into, oh, come on, you're more progressive than that. Move over to the 1 pill a day. I did that, and oh my God, it's made such a difference. Yeah. And I would suggest to anybody out there, get tested, get a hold of it early, be on 1 pill, don't have to go through all the extra stuff from letting your body deplete from the virus itself, and just get tested and get it taken care of.
It's a great message, Willie. Thank you for sharing. So from 8 a.m. today to 5 p.m., you can head over to Clinica Sierra Vista and know your status for National HIV Testing Day. For now, we're live. Clinica Sierra Vista, Daniela Garrido, 23.